Hello guys and welcome to my new video. Today I have a pretty much interesting story. I will try to do something I think impossible. I am in Bosnia and I found one real old inflatable boat. And this boat has, I think, at least 100 holes in it. Terrible. But I will try to, I can't say repair this boat, but I will try to do something with it so I can use it here down on the lake, because here we are having a beautiful lake down, you can see from the trees. Basically my idea is to put a motor holder on this piece of motor holder is for electrical motor, because here on the lake we are not allowed to use benzene motors. Wish me luck with it, because I'm not so optimistic. It will definitely take a time to restore all this. I'm not sure how old this boat is. I think at least 25 years, something like that. I bought some basic stuff for mounting of the electrical motor of inflatable boats, and I will try to install that. So guys, wish me luck. Let's go. So guys, what do you think about it? I mean, doesn't look so bad as I thought it would be. I mean, it's bad, but not so bad. Have you seen how many holes? I inflated now and I don't know how long it will last it, so inflated. But anyway, let's go on. So I'm done. I have mounted the holder for motor and it's holding really good, and I'm really happy about it. And also the holders are glued in their positions, and I'm waiting to dry out, and it takes another hour or something like that, and then I will try to see did I succeeded to make possible to run this boat on the water. Even though it looks pretty much funny and wounded all around it, but it still keeps the air, and that's a good sign. I just hope it will hold the weight of the motor. Just to be sure that motor stays on a boat. And now only thing what we need is one sunny day so we can try it on the water downstairs. As you can see, the holders are in place, they are holding. So hello again, today is day 2 of my work on this inflatable boat, what I show you in the beginning of this video. So that's about it for the moment. We will see each other in next sequence.